everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sara Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of May 25th through the 31st. It's the last week of May. I can't believe it, but I'm so excited. So let's look at the previous week we've got going on here. I feel like I had to pick up the pen and write in here a lot this week. So I put in all my steps, which my steps are not record-breaking, let's be honest here, because we are still at home. But then my son developed strep throat starting Friday. So yesterday we had to take him to his pediatrician, and I had to go to the grocery store to get his medicine. And my gosh, this was just, the last couple days have been crazy. So I didn't get to film yesterday because I was just too busy running around and taking care of that. So I'm filming today when I'm supposed to be editing. And today we are potty training. We decided to start potty training my daughter. So that's fun. Let's be honest. If any of you guys have potty trained a child before, it is a lot of work. And it's fine. But yeah, so it's just day one. So, you know, we're working on it. But let's get into the current week. I have got, let's take out, see, this is what's left of the kit that I used. Toss that over here. Okay, so let's just get right into it. This week I am using a planner cake kit again because I just love planner cake. So it is mini kit 203. I have the sampler. I've got just the thin washi add-on. I think this one's only like $1.50. And then I've got the hourly checklist add-on with the extra boxes and stuff. So we'll see. I may not even get to this add-on because, you know, I don't know. But I do have a lot of stuff going on this week. So we shall see. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my outline. And then we will go from there and we will talk about this week. This week is a lot. Okay, here we go. We are back. I've got everything filled in. Notice it's all rainy here in Texas. And then the 2 days that I'm in San Diego, it's nice and sunny and warm. I'm so excited. Okay, so I put this little tracker on here because Scotty, because he has strep throat, he has to have antibiotics. So I need to make sure I remember to give him the antibiotics because, man, it is hard to remember. Antibiotics. Okay. Gonna make sure I spelled that right. So I put that here to make sure I give him his antibiotics every day. Okay, so Monday, I do not have anything planned on Monday. I need to, you know, upload my video tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow is Monday. Well, you know, I need to upload my video tomorrow, so I'm hoping to have that uploaded by 10. All right, we're gonna try and do this without writing things down. Okay, and then I also I'm gonna try and get some laundry done tomorrow so that I have clean clothes for when I pack for my trip on Tuesday, because I'm gonna do my packing on Tuesday. So I want to make sure I do laundry tomorrow, and then I'm going to clean the house on Tuesday to make sure it's nice and clean while I'm gone, so that, you know, James doesn't have to worry about, you know, cleaning up any extra messes or anything. Everything is all done, ready. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Okay, so Tuesday we've got you just love these stickers? I love these stickers. Look at this. I love it. I just love the little like watercolors around it and stuff. But, yeah, okay. So the summer seasonal surprise box comes out on Tuesday. So this will be my first surprise box that I'm gonna get, and I'm really excited. I've been watching previous unboxings of the summer surprise box for the last, I think, like 2 years worth I watched, and they all looked super super cute and really interesting, and like all stuff that I would actually use. Some of the boxes, like the spring one, I wasn't a huge fan of. I didn't really like the like little planter cup that was in it, and then the gratitude journal I don't think was something I would use, so I'm like, you know what, but all the summer stuff seemed really great, so we're gonna try the summer. And then, okay, so Tuesday evening we're kind of busy, so my son has taekwondo as usual. His taekwondo is at 5:45 on Zoom, and then my daughter has swimming class at 4 that we're gonna go to. Boop. Okay. I always use my tweezers with these because they're so small. I feel like my fat fingers just kind of fumble with them. Okay, so taekwondo and then swimming, and then I need to pack. So let's do this one for packing. Oh, so I'm gonna make sure I pack my stuff. So I'm only gonna be gone for, oh my gosh, like 24 hours-ish. I'm only going to be gone for 24 hours. So really, like, packing is kind of an exaggeration. Like, really, I'm just throwing in an outfit and jammies into a bag and calling it a day, because I don't really need a ton of stuff for this. We're just flying over there and then flying right back. But, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is going to be my med clearance appointment. So what that is they will be doing, you know, an ultrasound, they'll be taking blood, and pretty much just talking to me. I'll be talking with the doctor kind of about, kind of about what to expect with IVF at their clinic, because the last time I was a surrogate, I did IVF at a different clinic. I did it at a clinic here in Texas, actually. So every clinic has different ways that they do the IVF. They have different protocols, different medications, even down to like bed rest after the transfer is different. So it'll be nice. I'll get to sit down and talk with the doctor and talk about what to expect. And yeah, so it'll be real nice to, finally get some, I don't want to say answers, but finally get to learn about what exactly I'm going to be doing with this clinic. So this is garbage day. So even though I won't be here, I'm still going to put it in my planner so that I can either remember to text James, although he's super good about remembering it. But I put it in here anyway, just in case. It doesn't hurt to have an extra person who knows that it's trash day. And then I am flying back home. My flight is at 1:45, so we will just put this here. So I was gonna film a Planner Kate haul tomorrow. I think I was planning on filming it tomorrow, but then my order that I placed with Planner Kate is still stuck in, so it's a sticker, stuck like this sticker. It is stuck in Ohio still, which is fine because, everything's just kind of crazy with packages and stuff. But, yeah, so it's stuck in Ohio, so that is not going to happen. Okay, so this taekwondo is actually at his taekwondo school, so I need to make sure I write down that it's at his school. The dojang. Okay, and then Juliette has swimming Friday morning. That is at 11:30. Go. And then that evening is when I'm going to do, so I've been doing my nails on Friday nights because typically I've been trying to film on Saturdays. Obviously that hasn't worked the last 2 weeks, but my goal is to film on Saturdays. So I like to do my nails so that I have nice clean nails. Although, whoo man, I had to shorten my nails a ton because I had a couple break, and so I didn't want like 3 long pretty ones and 2 really like broken short ones. So I'm like, okay, fine. We're just gonna shorten them all, call it a day. It's fine, everything's fine. And taekwondo on Saturday. This one is also at his school, so he's only going to his school 2 days a week for taekwondo, which I think is perfect. Like, you know, kind of easing them back into it and also making sure that there's not too many kids there. Okay, so he's got taekwondo in the school here, and then we have, I'm going to film, what was I using? These, okay, so I'm gonna film here, and then we're gonna edit here. All right, and then I'm moving my grocery trips to Sunday because I tried to do order pickup the last few weeks and it has not been good. They haven't been doing any substitutions. So if they're out of something, I'm just kind of SOL. So that makes it really hard when I'm trying to plan meals. And I'm like, well, hopefully they have everything, because then if they don't, then I either have to go to the store just for a couple things, or I just need to kind of figure something out at home, which is really hard if I don't have all the stuff I need. So it's just easier right now if I just go to the store myself. But obviously I can't bring the kids with me, so I need to do it on a day when James is home from work. And so since he is off on Sundays and Mondays, that's when I'll go. So I'll go next Sunday, take care of that, and we'll be good to go. Let's see. Okay, so here I'm gonna clean the house this day. Almost forgot. Okay, and then on Sunday, before church now, they have been having like a parents Zoom meeting for the church, and that's been kind of fun to do that on Sundays before church. Granted, I still haven't actually really been watching much church, but I have been participating in these because it's been nice. It's been really nice to, you know, get to talk to other parents who were also struggling at home, and yeah, that's been wonderful. So I've got that going there. I'm gonna edit here in grocery time, and it looks like that's about it. So yeah, so I guess I'll just kind of talk about what's gonna happen after this med clearance appointment. So I will have my med clearance appointment on Wednesday, and depending on how long the labs take to get my blood work back, that will be, once they get that back is when I'll be able to start doing contracts. Their lawyer, the parent's lawyer, will send my lawyer the contract, and then I will read over the contract and I will discuss that with my lawyer. And then if there's any changes, my lawyer will make those changes and send it back to the parents, and they will read over it. And if they approve of the changes, they'll approve it. Then once that's done, we will sign the contracts. And pretty much after the contract's signed, we'll be able to go right into the transfer and doing IVF. So I only plan on transferring 1 embryo because 2 embryos does not increase the chances of getting pregnant, but it does increase the chances of having multiples. And I do not want to put my body through multiples. It's a lot of work, and it is very hard on the body, and I am just not prepared for that. But this cute little travel girl, we're gonna put her right there. Okay, so I think this is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go through and fill everything out, and then we'll kind of do a quick recap, and that'll be it. So here we go. Okay, here we go. This is the final product. I am in love with this kit. It's one of her older kits. I think it's probably made for, I believe it's a January kit, but I just love it. I love the blues and the light pinks, and gosh, it just looks so pretty. Yeah, I am super happy with it. So I'm probably just going to film on my phone while I'm at my med clearance. I'm hoping to maybe, film a little bit while we're in San Diego and kind of make a little video about my med clearance afterwards. I don't have any solid plans yet on that, so that's why I haven't written anything down in here on filming it. If I'm going to film something, it would probably be on Saturday. You know what? Okay, let's commit. Let's do this. Let's put in here that I'm going to film my plan with me on Saturday, and then I will also film a med clearance appointment story, something or other. I don't know, but we'll put it in here, and that means it's law. That means I have to make it. So we'll call it story time. And then I'll just try and release that the first week of June, and it'll be just kind of a little bit about my med clearance appointment, what I did, what happened, what the results were, kind of what I learned on what the process is going to be like there, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you guys came along for this kind of spacey plan with me, but it's done. I'm still trying to learn how to talk to the camera. I think my better received videos are the ones that are shorter and that have a little bit more of a streamlined process, that have a little bit more of structure. This is just a little bit too out of control, but we're trying. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to watch that med clearance video, if you guys think it's a good idea. And then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the people who have subscribed so far. It's been so awesome just seeing people who like watching my channel. It's just amazing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.